Forecast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. The dollar fell slightly on Tuesday after the Fed's reluctance to give definite date for tapering led to expectations of continued accommodation, which lifted risk appetite. The greenback ended the day at 1.3222 to the euro and 99.40 to the yen. Today's data includes new home sales in June, which are expected to rise by 1.8% month-on-month, and US preliminary PMI, which is expected to come out at 52.6. Next to the euro. The euro rose on Tuesday as sentiment continued to remain upbeat and data showed Eurozone consumer confidence recovering by more than expected. The single currency ended the day at 1.3222 to the dollar and 131.43 to the yen. Today's data includes Eurozone PMIs, with manufacturing expected to show a rise to 49.1 from 48.8, services to rise to 48.7 from 48.3, and composite to rise to 49.1 from 48.7. British pound. The pound rose on Tuesday after risk appetite remained buoyant due to the Fed's reluctance to commit to a date for tapering. Sterling was also supported by heightened expectations that second quarter GDP data on Thursday will beat forecasts. The pound ended the day at 1.5366 to the dollar and 0.8602 to the euro. Today's data includes Confederation of British Industry figures for total orders, selling prices, and business optimism. Japanese yen. The yen fell on Tuesday as the upper house election results increased the prospect of continued aggressive monetary policy. The yen ended the day at 99.40 to the dollar and 152.73 to the pound. Today's data includes figures for the amount spent by foreign investors purchasing Japanese financial assets and of foreign assets bought by Japanese investors. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.316, with targets at 1.325 and 1.33 in extension. Below 1.316, look for further downside with 1.31 and 1.3065 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.5325 with targets at 1.54 and 1.543 in extension. Below 1.5325, look for further downside with 1.5295 and 1.5265 as next targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 100.15 with targets at 99.2 and 98.9 in extension. Above 100.15, look for further upside with 100.65 and 100.85 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.